How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
What's new with you?
Not much, just the usual. How about you?
How was your day?
It was pretty busy, but good overall.
What did you do today?
I went to work, had lunch with a friend, and did some shopping.
How's the weather?
It's really nice today. Sunny, but not too hot.
What time is it?
It's almost 3 p.m.
Where are you from?
I'm from California. What about you?
What do you do for a living?
I work as a graphic designer.
How's your family?
They're all doing great. We had a family dinner last night.
What are your hobbies?
I love reading, painting, and trying out new cafes.
Did you sleep well?
Not really. I stayed up too late watching a show.
What's for breakfast?
I just had some toast and coffee.
Can you help me with this?
Of course. What do you need help with?
Have you seen my phone?
I think you left it on the table.
What are your plans for today?
I'm going to a coffee shop to work on my blog.
What time will you be home?
Probably around 7 p.m.
Do we need to buy anything for the house?
Yeah, we're out of milk and eggs.
Can you turn off the lights?
Sure.
What should we watch tonight?
How about a romantic comedy? I'm in the mood for something light.
Did you lock the door?
Yes, don't worry.
What time does the meeting start?
At 10 a.m., but I'll probably log in a bit earlier.
Can you explain this to me?
Of course. Let me break it down for you.
Did you finish the report?
Not yet, but I'm almost done.
What's the deadline for this task?
By Friday afternoon.
Can I borrow your pen?
Sure. Here you go.
How was your weekend?
It was great. I went to the beach with some friends.
What's for lunch today?
I'm thinking about getting a salad or maybe some pasta.
Do you need any help?
No, I'm good. But thanks for asking.
When is our next break?
I think in about 20 minutes.
Did you understand the lesson?
Yes. But I need to review it again later.
How much does this cost?
Oh, it's $25.
Do you have this in another size?
Yes, we do. Let me check for you.
Can I try this on?
Of course. The fitting rooms are right over there.
Where is the fitting room?
Just around the corner on your left.
What's the best price you can give me?
We have a 10% discount if you sign up for our membership.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we accept all major cards.
Is there a discount on this item?
Yes, it's 20% off today.
Where can I find the dairy section?
It's in aisle 5, near the bread section.
What time do you close?
We close at 9 p.m.
Can I get a receipt, please?
Of course, here you go.
How do I get to the nearest bus stop?
Just walk straight for 2 blocks, and you'll see it on the right.
What time does the train leave?
At 6:30 p.m.
Is this seat taken?
No, you can sit here.
How much is the fare?
It's $2.50 for a one-way ticket.
Can you call me a taxi?
Sure. Let me book one for you.
Where is the nearest gas station?
About a mile ahead on the right.
How long will the journey take?
Around 45 minutes, depending on traffic.
Do I need to book in advance?
It's better to, but you can also get tickets at the counter.
Can you recommend a good hotel nearby?
Yes, there's a nice one just 5 minutes from here.
What's the best way to get there?
Taking a taxi would be the fastest option.
Can I see the menu, please?
Sure. Here you go.
What's your specialty?
Our pasta dishes are very popular.
Do you have any vegetarian options?
Yes. We have a veggie burger and a few pasta dishes.
Can I get this without onions?
Of course. I'll make a note of that.
What would you recommend?
The grilled salmon is really good.
Can I have the bill, please?
Sure, I'll bring it right away.
Do you have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, the password is on your receipt.
Can I get a table for two?
Of course. This way, please.
Is service included in the bill?
No, but you can add a tip if you'd like.
Can I have some extra napkins?
Of course. Here you go.